Help! Please save us! The water is freezing!
Today we will see a story about bravery, kindness, and family.
Wow, the beach looks amazing, Dad.
It really does, buddy.
Yes, it sure does. Let's sit down here and eat some snacks.
Wow, look at the ocean. Can we go swimming now, please? Huh? Please, Dad?
Of course. But stay close together, all right?
Take this, you two.
Ha! You caught me. Now it's my turn.
Oh no, look at those dark clouds.
A huge storm is coming. Everyone, leave the beach right now.
Watch out! Lightning!
Oh my goodness! Run! We need to find shelter immediately.
Hold my hand, Megan. Don't let go.
The crowd is pushing too hard. We can barely move.
Oh no! Mom! Where are you? Where is Megan? She slipped out of my hand! She's gone! Mom! Dad! I can't find you! Megan! Megan!
Where are you? Follow my voice.
Megan, please say something.
I'm scared. Somebody help me, please.
Look, over there. Is that Megan's pink coat?
Yes, that's her.
Megan!
I've got you, sweetheart. You're safe now.
Thank goodness. Never let go of our hands again.
Hurry, let's get inside that large building over there.
They rush into a secure building. Inside, it feels warm and safe.
We made it inside. That storm is terrifying.
Drink some warm water, Megan. You're safe now.
Attention everyone. Several people are still stranded near the beach.
They need help right away.
The water level is rising quickly.
He realizes he cannot stay behind.
Eva, I have to go back out there. I need to help them, or...
No, Mike! It's far too dangerous! The storm is getting worse!
Dad, please don't go.
Tom, if nobody helps them, they could die. They have families waiting for them too. Don't be afraid, Megan. Your father will stay careful. I promise.
Please, Mike, come back safely to us.
I love all of you. Stay here and wait for me.
Mike runs back into the storm. He is incredibly brave.
Oh, look! A tiny cat is trapped in the fishing net. Don't worry, little kitty. I'll free you. Wait, I think I heard someone yelling.
Help! Somebody help me! I can't move!
Stay there. I'm coming. Don't panic.
Please help me! My leg is trapped. 1, 2, 3. Push! Oh no. Sir, are you okay?
I'm all right. Let's get out of here.
Thank you very much. Your leg looks badly hurt.
I'm okay. Go inside the shelter. There are still more people outside. Ah, a boat! Perfect! We can use it to rescue others.
Help! Please save us! The water is freezing.
Hold on, I'm coming to get you.
You are a true hero. Thank you.
Please step down slowly.
Thank you, sir. Oh no. I think he collapsed from exhaustion.
Stabilize his neck immediately. Secure him carefully.
Ready to lift on my signal. Watch your step. Clear the entrance.
Where is my husband? Where is Mike?
Are you Mike's family? His condition is very serious.
Oh my God. Doctor, please save him.
Don't cry, Megan. Dad is a hero. He's very strong. He's going to survive.
Your father is an incredible man. He saved my life.
Without him, we might not be alive today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Let's stay strong for Dad.
The operation was successful. He is going to recover.
Oh, Mike, you're awake. Thank goodness.
Dad, you woke up. I missed you so much.
Hey, kids. I'm all right now. Don't worry.
With the love and support of his family, Mike becomes healthier every single day.
Dad, today Dad is finally coming home.
Hooray for our hero. Thank you, Mike.
Wow, thank you so much, everyone. I only did what I believed was right.
Sir, you are a real hero. How do you feel today?
I'm not a hero. I'm simply a father who wanted to protect people, just like I protect my family. If dangerous weather appears at the beach, please leave immediately and move to a safe place. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to press the like button. See you next time. Goodbye.